So if you haven't figured it out already, we certainly love to feature local products and businesses here on Great Day Connecticut.
And our next guest feels the same. Donald Pendergast is the founder of Curated Connecticut, or Curated CT, and is here now to show us how to make giving local this holiday season even easier. Thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you so much for having me.
It's our pleasure. All right, so we have got a bunch of products, and you say, you can just look at us. You don't,
absolutely.
Don't worry about that. Love the products, love everything it is. Tell me how you got started with this.
We got started, this has been a long personal journey, but about 3-4 years ago, while I was doing my MBA at the University of Connecticut, my passion for always supporting and patronizing, local businesses. I worked at a bakery growing up.
You did?
I did.
Where?
Back in Brunswick, Maine.
Oh my God, that's great.
My family's all from Fairfield, Shelton area,
Yeah.
so we spent a lot of time in Connecticut. We used to go to the Goshen Fair, Labor Day weekend every year growing up, and it was just such a great time to be out and about. Seeing all the different things, being able to try things, sample things, and just see the people that are right there behind making those products.
So, but you've made it easy, because sometimes people think, oh, okay, I want to support local, but I don't know where the product is. So it's like a subscription box, and all the stuff in it is local?
Exactly. So we have a subscription box. We have one here actually, and it's something we do on a monthly basis for our subscribers. We want to make it really easy, not only to support, but to try on a recurring, regular basis, local artisans, makers, and growers, and really take full advantage of the diversity that we have across our state.
So you can do it by month? Is that how it works?
Absolutely. We have it on a monthly basis. This is our Tour CT box, sort of our flagship offering.
Okay.
And right now for this month, in addition to what our subscribers are enjoying, we've also made a sort of a holiday giftable version of it. We're including a hand note card inside.
That's great.
It's absolutely a pleasure. We've had people gifting this to friends, family, co-workers, themselves. No judgment at all on that one.
Exactly. And throughout the year, the products will change with the seasons? Is that how it's going to work? Okay.
Absolutely. So we every couple of months, we change up the vendors that we're working with. We change up the products. We're always on the hunt for more and a bigger variety of products that we're looking for.
Okay.
We're looking at health and body products going forward, how we can make charcuterie boards on a regular basis.
Two of Kara's favorites.
So tell us a little bit about what's in there.
Absolutely. So in our flagship box here, there are 5 items.
Okay.
Our staples are bread, which we have here, a loaf from Bakery on Maple in Bristol, Erica and her team. We have a coffee, which we're featuring the Christmas blend from Ashland Farms down in Old Saybrook. We have the Aged Bloomsday from Cato Corner, one of my favorites. A lot of times our folks are making grilled cheese the day of, and it comes out fresh. It's amazing. And the fourth thing here is chocolate. We have an assortment of truffles we're featuring from Munson's.
That is terrible.
It is. Now, in addition to all that, what we do every month, we curate a little something extra each month.
Okay.
And so for the month of December, and for today being National Cocoa Day, we actually have packets of hot cocoa from Bear Life in West Hartford that we've paired with marshmallows from Disheveled Diva.
Look at them. They're like tie-dye marshmallows.
I didn't know what they were. They're marshmallows.
I've never loved marshmallows. People are like, oh, s'mores, campfire, all that kind of stuff. These are amazing. Changed my life when it came to marshmallows.
Would you like one, Kara? Oh my God, they're super soft. Hang on, I'll break one in half.
One of us has to talk, so you eat.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
Yes.
It's not like the big box store marshmallow. It's different.
No.
Oh my God, it's wonderful.
And what's wonderful about this, and part of the inspiration, is not living vicariously through those of us, on camera, you're reading a magazine, a blog, whatever it might be. We get this right to folks so they can try it firsthand. Don't take our word for it. You can try it too.
Okay.
This is so cool. I didn't know this existed either, but Bear Life Coconut Hot Cocoa Mix. It's dairy-free, plant-based, gluten-free, and organic, and it's still nice and easy, just like the packets that you're used to. You just put this in.
This is wonderful.
Absolutely. Okay. And it's great to cook with as well.
Oh, okay.
Founder Allie Lazowski in West Hartford, she had some dietary issues, and she was looking for it. She loves hot cocoa, and she just couldn't eat it any longer. And again, baking with it and all of that. So she created this product, and it's been a smashing success. So,
terrific.
Well, we hope that you will be a smashing success, and I think you already are. So if you're looking for great last-minute gifts or something that's going to give all year long, you can go to curatedct.com right there on your screen. Thank you so much.
Good luck and continued success. We'll have you back when the products change.
absolutely.
Okay.